Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you this Thursday morning, February the 27th, 2020. And Mother Nature snuck in last night and delivered enough snow in the northern and eastern part of Breckenridge County to cause some hazardous travel this morning and cause us to be out of school. So hope everybody is having a decent snow day out there. And I know if you're in the Hardsburg area, you did not get much snow, but there were some areas in our county that did have some snow on the roads and caused it to be difficult travel. So this is a missed day that will be made up at the end of the school year. And so this is not an NTI day. Our next missed school day will be an NTI day. So be prepared for that. But today is just a normal missed day. We'll make this day up on the school year. Today we are missing our 10th grade field test for reading and writing. So our next day at school tomorrow, Friday the 28th, we will be doing our makeup, our 10th grade field test then. And then we'll be doing our 11th grade field test on Monday, March the 2nd. Would just like to say that I'm really proud of our sophomore class. They took the ACT on Tuesday, did a great job, so really proud of them. We have a lot going on the next couple weeks of testing, and they did a great job. Next week here at the high school, we'll be doing our state EOP testing, which is our end of program. That's for any student that's in a pathway class. They'll be taking their EOPs next week, so I'd like to wish all of them good luck. And then on March the 10th, our juniors will be taking the ACT. That's part of our state accountability, so I'd like to wish them good luck as they're preparing for that. I'd like to wish our Lady Tiger basketball team good luck tonight as they'll be competing for the 11th District Championship at Meade County High School. They'll be playing the Lady Waves of Meade County. That game is at 6 o'clock Central Standard Time. And I'd like to wish our Fight Tigers good luck tomorrow night, Friday the 28th, as they will be playing Meade County. Again, this is at Meade County High School. Game times are 6 o'clock tomorrow night as well. I'd like to wish our dance team good luck as they'll be in their state competition on Saturday the 29th. That is at Kentucky State University, so good luck to them. And both our Lady Tigers and Fight Tigers have qualified for the regional tournament in basketball, so that'll be next week starting on March the 2nd, Monday night. Now that draw will take place on Saturday morning, February the 29th. Be sure to watch Facebook and Twitter feeds for the draw and when we play, and we'll be getting all the information out about when we play and how to buy tickets for next week's ball games. And that's just an update from here at the high school. I'll leave you how we start every day here at the school. Everyone work really hard. Have a great day and be a champion.